Are wrinkles starting to appear on your skin? Don't worry, we've got you covered with these 7 essential tips for wrinkle-free skin. Tip number 1, protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure is one of the main causes of wrinkles. Make sure to wear sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. You can also seek shade and wear protective clothing. Tip number 2, hydrate your skin. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from within. This will help maintain its elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Tip number 3, say no to smoking. Smoking accelerates the aging process and causes wrinkles, especially around the mouth and eyes. Quitting smoking not only benefits your health but also your skin appearance. Tip number 4, follow a healthy diet. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, and foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids into your meals. These nutrients can help fight against skin damage and keep it youthful. Tip number 5, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to the breakdown of collagen and elastin, 2 proteins that keep your skin supple. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to maintain a fresh and wrinkle-free complexion. Tip number 6, don't forget to moisturize. Use a moisturizer that suits your skin type to keep it hydrated and plump. Moisturizing regularly can help prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. Tip number 7, be gentle with your skin. Avoid rubbing or pulling your skin too hard when cleansing or applying makeup. Instead, use gentle motions to prevent unnecessary stretching and damage. Thanks for watching our video. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button below for more skincare advice and tutorials. Here's to maintaining your beautiful, wrinkle-free skin.